Yo YouTube, it's me here again. First of all, I want to say sorry that there was no video last week. Why was there no video? Well, there's no money for videos. Sorry. No, I didn't have anything to do last week for YouTube content, so that's why I made those two shorts. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the shorts as well, and if you didn't see them, go check them out because they were pretty funny. But today we are doing another thing on the E36 right here. Today we are going to be installing, or not installing, cleaning our K&N air filter. So that's this thingy right here, which I installed in the last video for the new elbow things over there. First step is to take it off. First thing you want to do is to take out the air filter itself. Well, okay. And now once the air filter is out, it's time to go clean it. Okay, so now that you got your filter in your hands, make it look shiny. So now you have the filter in your hands, it's time to tap out any dust that's in here. You don't need to smack hard, but there's some in my hands already. You don't need to smack hard, just tap it lightly and most of it will come out already. Okay, so next up, very important, is to clean this with your spray thing. Mine doesn't work very well, maybe because it's on the shelf for like 2 years already. It's important that you don't let this dry, okay? Make sure it's nice and clean, and then once it's all covered up, go rinse it out under some low pressure water. See, so just rinse it. As you can see, it's very dirty, the water. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's dirty. Okay, so now that your thing is full of water, you don't want water in your engine, obviously. So you just let it leak. But what you also need to do is get the most water out of it. So there's a few techniques you can do. You can just go like this, or do something else. I saw some guy on YouTube do like I don't know, it was some kind of swinging thing. He did like at the windmill. Fuck, that hurts. So you can do that. There's a lot of options you can do, but it's just get the most water out of the filter. But I have another technique. Let me show you. Or you do it like this. No. Okay, so if it's winter, normally you can put it outside in the sun, but for me it's already evening in the winter, so I'm just gonna put it inside right by the stove and just let it chill there overnight. Make sure that all of the water is gone because you don't want any water inside of your engine.
1 day later.
Okay, so we have the next day, and after letting it dry in front of the stove for the whole night, it's time to spray it in with the air filter oil. Just spray it in and have a nice coating of oil until everything is red. You can already see the difference. And then wipe off any excess oil on everything. So it's nice and clean. And now we let it sit for like 10 minutes or so for the oil to sink in, and then we spray it again if we have any uneven white spots that it's not covered in red. So just wait 5 to 10 minutes now.
5 minutes later.
And then just look for any white spots and then fill them in like this. Okay, so once everything is covered up nicely, you let it dry for about like half an hour or so, let everything sink in. And once everything is sunk in, you just put it back into the car. Okay, so now we put it onto the car. Okay, so filter is installed now, and yeah, very easy job to do. I gave it a mechanic score for how many wrenches, 1 wrench out of 5. It's very easy to do, everybody can do this. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and I also made a short for doing this. I made a short because if you want to just get straight into the details and not just messing around like now, you can watch that as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.